Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more season collection points in Heartopia. So currently I have 115. If you go to the Call of Whales area, you can see like how many stars you have. The more stars you have on like an item, the more points you have for the collection points, and you'll get rewards like Fashionwave points, some trophies, wishing stars, some material packs as well. You can also get some time limited exhibition passes. You only get 18 though. Um, but I usually like to just do 5 stars on the cooking, but you can also do it for insect catching, gardening, bird watching, as well as fishing. So I'm just going to start cooking and earn more stars because I think for me that is the easiest, but I don't know. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.